welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. You guys, this is episode 2 of redoing my beauty rooms. I still have to find good art. I know, like last episode, like I couldn't really decide on some. Let's go on a hunt for the perfect art for my beauty room. As always, I'm gonna save the final product for last. It is still being worked on and painted and everything like that. So it's up to me to find like some good art. So if you're interested in this fun interior design vlog, then keep on watching. So I started this video the other day, but I didn't get a chance to get to the store. So we're picking up this video today. I am in line waiting to get a Starbucks coffee. Coronavirus has run rampant. I just tried going to a Walmart to get antibacterial, but honestly, the place was crowded with people that I have too much anxiety to actually go in there. So I'm just trying to figure that out. So I got my nails done today and I got my long coffin nails off, and I opted for just a gel manicure rounded, and I got pink with a little tulip here, you guys, how cute. And then I got a hyacinth. Even though it doesn't go with the colors, it doesn't matter. Hyacinths and tulips are my favorites. All right, I have to order. I really want a warm cookie too. Okay. What are we gonna do here?
Welcome to Starbucks. What do you have today?
Hi, can I have the medium almond milk honey flat white?
Sure, the hot one.
Yes, a hot one. And also, what kind of cookies do you guys have today?
Right now we only have the chocolate chip.
Okay, do you have any?
We also have like a butter cookie, like this pack of 3, it's like a cake.
Okay, what about the banana bread?
We do have banana bread.
Okay, I will have a banana bread.
Sure, anything else, Chris?
That's it.
Alright, get them.
Thank you. I'm so happy. You guys have no idea. You guys have no idea, but I feel so good without my coffin nails, I do have to say. I liked them for like the aesthetic, but you guys, your girl was just like, I couldn't function, and when a queen can't function, there's problems, you know what I mean? So, episode 2, baby, episode 2. All right, you guys, so I am in Marshall's. Of course, I'm getting sidetracked because all I see is this peep coming out of an egg, and I love this, but I cannot focus on this, Morgan. Morgan, why are you going in here? Oh my God, the Easter decorations, they're just like dragging me in. Okay, so we're looking for home decor. That's number 1. This is pretty. I love this texture. Oh, these pictures are really cute. How many of them are there? I always love to get like a pop of greenery. You know what I mean? You really want to bring your room to life, you know? Oh, here's Audrey. How cute is she? That's a cute photo. I don't know if that's more my vibe though. I was always a Jackie. I always looked like a Marilyn but acted like a Jackie. I mean, I can't help myself. Well, I do like these for storage, but they're just very dark. I like this. It's just so cheap, and they want $70 for it, it seems. So that's just the only thing that's like making me hesitant. So this is the rug that I'm definitely interested in, on sale, and it's like patterned like that, and I do like that to add some, you know, dimension to the room. Also, I love that it's like a nice neutral brown and ivory, which I think will look nice with the champagne pink color. All right, so I'm gonna quick stop over to TJ Maxx. I saw some things that I like, but nothing that's really like making me want to commit. So we're gonna so I just came to Target. I never shop here, but honestly, every time I go online, they seem to have good interior design. So I'm gonna scope it out. Also, I'm gonna look for hand sanitizer, like good hand sanitizer. before the coronavirus. How cute is this shirt? Wait, look at the sleeves on this shirt. How much are we obsessed? So this is what I've been kind of looking for. Just so you guys know, I was in the cleaning aisle and all the Lysol and hand wipes are gone, so that kind of sucks. I love these black bowls, actually. Like a nice matte black bowl. Okay, so that's pretty. This set of two is pretty. I love the black trim because it will give my room like a very modern look, because my table that my husband made me has like black lining, so I'm not mad at that. Ooh. Oh, I might have to buy them if I break them. Okay. It's very busy though. I want something like, I'm trying to pick out art. Okay, so Jesus, they're falling. Okay, so this is, oh, that's pretty. So one is like ocean and the other is palm tree. That's kind of cute. I love the wood trim. You see, like, I love how these pictures are set into the frame. Frames are more important than people think. They can literally, like, I love the way, do you see how this canvas is kind of tucked into this frame? It gives it such a clean, modern, sleek look. So I'm definitely a fan of that. Target. Come through, Target. I love it. Look at these with the pom-poms. My goodness, Target's gonna furnish my whole room, I think. You guys, I just wanted to show you this floor lamp also. I absolutely love it for a Scandinavian vibe in the room. With the wood here, it being a floor lamp, honestly, it's stunning. Oh, I love that texture chair, but I don't think the colored pattern's ideal. What do you guys think? Love this one. That's like a very relaxing chair. I would need something with a sturdier back for my YouTube videos. I love how this is textured though. Does this come in white? Okay guys, so I am here and I'm like just trying to find something I can like. This chair is nice. That it's beige. I want to sit in it, you know what I mean? This isn't good for my fibro. This is cute. I need, it's $200, that's insane. If I get it down, I won't be able to get it back up. I would need the help of an employee. So yeah, okay. Oh, is this the same one? Oh no, now that's $80. Is this $80? If this is $80, I'll buy it today. This one's too cute. Who do I have to hustle? I want this in cream. I like it for my back. Oh my god, I like that you can like go back in it. I want to take a nap in this. No one even sees me in here. Now they do because I'm yelling at my camera. Oh girl, I like that. Who's gotta cut me a deal? I need a coupon, I like that. I want that in like a nice tan or ivory. Oh, look at that. And then you could see like the legs right here are wood. Accent chair. Love the legs. I like it because it's like comfy on my back. Love, 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 love. I need so bad. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go back to the pictures, think about it. Now that I know where everything is, I can like execute my purchase. But this is what I go through every time I go shopping. I'm always like staring and like causing a scene, and like I just can never make a decision. I'm so indecisive. For some reason, I love the way this sits in its frame. Although it's just trees and like, there's something about it that's like very mysterious. You guys, so I am in line. I picked a picture. It looks damaged, shoot. It kind of has these nicks though on it, and it looks like it was a return. I love the gray and the pink in it, and I think it'll just be really cute in this room, but it's damaged and there's no tag, so I'm definitely getting some type of discount because clearly this was used. No, I'm not buying it for the discount. I like when I choose art, I like to choose something that is not familiar to me, so it's like an experience. Like I saw so much landscape and like feather photos, but like I have a flock of ducks, so I have access to nice feathers all the time and eggs, and I feel like that's just a part of my everyday life. So this is kind of more like just a whole vibe. It's just a mood, you know? And that's why I chose this. And of course, I love the frame, the wooden framework. I think that is really pretty, and this isn't the most Scandi photo, like Scandinavian photo, but this kind of brings that vibe to it. And then of course we get a little bit of like Victorian, slight shabby chic. I like it, I'm into it. Going up this way. Okay, you guys, so I was able to get the picture that I wanted. I spoke to an employee, and I basically just showed them that like the picture's a little damaged. I'm slightly concerned, so I ended up, he said 15%, that's the only they can do, and I looked at him, I go, you could do a little better than that, this is pretty damaged. He goes, okay, 20, and then at the cash register, he did 25, so I'm pretty happy about that. You know, I'm always like to hustle, stay grinding. I mean, I don't really like the idea that I got damaged. That's probably not recommended, so I'm gonna return them if they don't look nice, but I think they're really nice.